Hey guys, it's Melina,
And Joselyne. Sorry.
and we're gonna scan these Shopkins, the Chef Club. So they're like how much?
27.
27. So you need an app, and I hate how it does this, but go like here, and we're not gonna play, but you go to My Shopkins, and we're gonna scan. There's like a little button here where you scan, and it teaches you at first. So it's gonna teach us right now. But I already know how to do this.
It's by Moose. And I love how the Chef Club girls are dressed because, I don't know, it's cute though.
Or maybe it won't teach us, I don't know. Wait, what?
My Shopkins.
Oh no. So we're gonna scan this one first, the one that changes color.
So, scanning it.
So it's oh wait, it's I don't know her name. It's Brady Basil, or
Brady.
I don't know if I said it right, but yeah. And you have to be in light to scan it. So let's scan the next one. So we're gonna scan it.
I feel like if I'm paralyzed, I have to stay still. Her name is Mozzarella Mozzarella. I thought she was like the spaghetti.
No. So we have to put light.
Finally, her name is Karen Carrot. Let's go on to the next one.
And it sometimes takes forever. Don't worry.
Because I think this one is like lag.
Okay.
This is Polly Paisley?
Polly Presley.
Parsley. Hey, Parsley. Oh, I think she's like...
And she is Herb L. Teabag.
So this is her.
So we're scanning. So it's Charlie Cheese.
Oh, it's lemon.
So I'm sorry. Okay.
Finally.
So this is Pippa Lemon.
Pippa Lemon.
Pippa or Peppa? No, Pippa. So we always do this. I'm soy.
And this is her.
This is Sweet Honey. Move on to Joselyne's, and she has more of the season 6.
I have 19 of them.
Yeah, and I have just 14. So yeah, let's go to hers. So we stopped here, so now we're going on to that one. So we're just turning on the flash because we need it.
Because we're outside and it's not time.
So it's Chalk Buds. Let's turn it around so they can see.
So this is Olivia Olive.
Yeah. And she changes colors.
Color change. Dark green or light green.
This is Vanilla Tubs.
She is...
I don't know.
And this is Sweet Corn.
Sweet Corn it is. And it says, when you unlock the Shopkin and add it to... It looks like if it says tab, but it says 2. This one is
Festy Butter.
Yeah.
It's her.
Roma Tomato.
And here she is. This is Bethany Brockton. And this is Olive Oil. She in real life. That's Timmy Tomato Paste.
It's like Timmy Tomato. Like, if you guys know who that YouTuber is, Timmy Tomato, he makes like DIYs and stuff.
And this is Very Sweet Pancakes.
And she is ultra rare, and I like how it actually tells you right there. Here, let me zoom in. Actually, no. See, it says it on the side.
And this is
How
Very Sweet Pancakes.
And it's kind of funny because she has drops on the phone. Like right here, she has like little drops, and here she doesn't. See? Those drops, and those drops of syrup, and here she doesn't. That's kind of weird.
And I love how she has the golden and stuff and pearly colors. She's an ultra rare. And this is Miss Sprinkles. This is Miss Sprinkles. And she's very cute.
She also has sprinkles on the top of the can.
And she's very cute because she has this little rainbow and she has like...
It looks like a color that mixes.
And she's very cute because she has like these very, very soft light colors.
Yeah. And she is button mushroom.
She is. And this is Runny Honey. So.
This is Runny Honey.
And here she is. And this is Buncho Bananas.
Buncha?
Buncho.
I thought it was a A.
And this is Buncho Bananas. I think she's really cute because she has a little winky eye.
She is blocky eyes cute.
And it's also funny because look right there, she has blue. She has blue right there, and she doesn't have blue right here.
That's
so
a funny
weird.
thing.
And this is banana split. And this is her.
Does she look the same? Yes, she looks the same as she looks in the picture. She's sea salt, and it's funny because she does not look like a salt at all. Like, I wouldn't find that as a salt.
Probably this is a salt from a different state, or like from China or something.
This is actually a common Shopkin. She is strawberry tart. Sorry for that, the phone just turns off sometimes. She's so cute. This is the last Shopkin Madeline muffin. She's common.
And this is her.
If I would have seen her, she would have looked like a cookie to me.
Oh, and it's funny, look. She's darker right here.
Oh yes, she is. She has like a brown, and here she doesn't. It's actually really weird. We hope you guys liked our video. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.